Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use CJ Dropshipping with Etsy. CJ Dropshipping is one of the most popular dropshipping apps around, so if you are ready to learn how to dropship on Etsy, be sure to watch this entire tutorial step by step. The first thing you will need to do is go onto Etsy.com. Once on Etsy.com, you want to sign up and create an account. You can do this for completely free. All you'll need is your email address. So you're going to use your email address to sign up and you're going to create a password. Once you have done that, what I want you to do is go over to the top right hand corner, right where you see your account and your profile pic. You're going to tap right there. Once on the drop down menu, you are going to select Sell on Etsy. After you have selected Sell on Etsy, what I want you to do next is open a second tab. And in this second tab, you are going to go onto cjdropshipping.com. Once on cjdropshipping.com, I would want you to sign up using the same email address that you used to sign up to Etsy. If you already had an Etsy account or a CJ Dropshipping account with another email address, it doesn't matter, you can leave it as is. But it would be a lot easier if you are using the same email address on both platforms. Once you have created your account on CJ Dropshipping, as you can see right here, what I want you to do, at the top menu option, you are going to see My CJ. You are going to tap on My CJ. Once you have tapped on My CJ, it is going to refresh the dashboard and you are going to see a different looking dashboard as you can see right here. What I want you to do next, once your dashboard has been refreshed, is go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and you are going to see Store Authorization. You are going to tap on that. After selecting Store Authorization, you are going to scroll down until you see Etsy. You are going to tap on Etsy. Once you have selected Etsy, you will be led to this dashboard and you are going to tap on Add Store. After you have tapped on Add Store, you are going to see the option to set up connection. So just give it a second and you can see right here, it automatically redirects us to Etsy. And from here, you can see you're currently signed in as, and you will see your email address. Then you'll simply scroll down and you can read more about it. Then you're going to tap on Grant Access. So let me do that real quick. Once you have tapped on Grant Access, it will redirect you back to the CJ Dropshipping dashboard. And you can see authorization success. So now our CJ Dropshipping app is connected to our Etsy app. So now it is time to search for products that you would like to dropship on Etsy. At the top search bar right here, you have quite a few options when it comes onto CJ Dropshipping. One, you can tap on the search bar and you can type in the particular product or the type of products that you would like to add to your Etsy store. Two, you could go onto AliExpress and you could find the product that you want on aliexpress.com. Then you could come back here and you could paste in the AliExpress product URL. And the third option is you could do image search. So you could simply tap right where you see the camera icon and you could drag or upload the image of the product that you would like to add onto your Etsy store. For this example, I'll simply do a quick product search. So I'm going to tap right here. And let's say, for example, I would like to sell some watches on Etsy. So I'm going to type in watches. Then from here, I could select watches for women. So I'm going to tap on watches for women. And then it is going to show us different options. When it comes on to CJ Dropshipping, you can also filter the options. So for example, you will see filter by warehouse and you can see different warehouses that you can choose from. And depending on the warehouse that you choose or use, it will affect the delivery time. You can also filter by all types, so you can see supplier products or product videos. And you can also filter by price if you have a set price in mind that you would like to get your products at. And also you can filter by free shipping, as you can see right here. Now let's say I would like to add this product to my store. All I would have to do is simply tap on the product image. Once I've tapped on the product image, I will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be able to see more details about the product before you add it to your store. For example, you can scroll down and you can see the estimated delivery time. You can also see the product images right here. And from here, you can also check out if it has any product videos, if you want product videos to be added to your listing. So you'll simply go back and see if you can find one with product videos. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on list. So let's tap on list real quick. After you have tapped on list, you want to select the store. So you're going to tap right here and you want to ensure that your Etsy store is selected. Once you have selected your Etsy store, the next thing you're going to do, as you can see, it will ship from, and you will see the warehouse. You can see the estimated delivery time. Also, my estimated delivery time is between 8 to 15 days. And you can see the shipping cost, and you can also see the shipping method. If I would like to use a different shipping method, I can do that by simply tapping right here and choosing a different shipping method. Once you have done that, you are going to add some tags. So let's say, for example, I will add a tag, watches. So I'll simply type in that, then tap on plus, and I could add more tags if I want, but I'll just leave it at one tag at the moment. Then you are going to scroll down and you will see the different variants, as you can see right here. And you can also see the shipping costs, the service costs, and the total costs right here. Then from here, you can add your price that you would like to sell it at. As you can see, their recommended price is $28. So let's say I would like to sell it for $30. I could simply type in 30 right there. Or I could type it at the top right here, type in 30, then tap on OK. And it will add it for each variant. After you have done that, you are going to tap on List It Now. So let's tap on List It Now. Then it will normally take between a few seconds to a few minutes for your listing to be added to Etsy. Okay, once you have added the product, normally you would go onto Etsy. So once back on Etsy, we are going to tap on Shop Manager in the top right hand corner, right beside our profile pic. And from there, you would normally see the listing added automatically. If you don't see the listing, what we'll need to do is simply copy and paste the information manually. At the moment, you can see that the listing was not added automatically. So all you'll need to do is simply go back into My CJ, and from there, all you'll need to do is simply copy all of the information. For example, let's say we were on this page. All you'll need to do is simply copy all of the information and paste it into Etsy. And you can also add the product images and videos onto Etsy right here, and you'll simply fill out the box, for example, a description and so on, from the information that you'll be from the CJ dropshipping listing. And that's basically it. Once you're finished and you're on Etsy, you'll tap on Save and Continue. And then from there, you're going to go on to how you'll get paid, and you'll set up billing and so on. And once you get orders on Etsy, all you'll need to do now is go back into CJ Dropshipping. Once in CJ Dropshipping, again, you're going to go over to the top menu option right here, and you're going to tap on My CJ. Once you have tapped on My CJ and you're on the new dashboard once more, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option once more. And from there, you'll be able to add in your order, and you'll also be able to add in the customer order information. So for example, we'll go over to the left-hand menu option. Let's scroll down. Then you're going to tap right where you see orders. You're going to tap right there. All we'll need to do after tapping on orders, you're going to see the option right here, import orders. You're going to tap on that, or you can select orders fulfillment. Once you have tapped on it, we're going to be adding the order manually. So you are going to be redirected to a new page to tap on imported orders. After you have tapped on imported orders, you are going to scroll down and you are going to tap on create manual orders. You are going to tap on that. Then you'll be redirected to a new dashboard. And from here, you're going to select the product that the customer has purchased. So let's say, for example, this product right here, you will simply tap on the box. Once you have ticked it, you're going to tap on add in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on add, you're going to tap on the cart icon. Once you have tapped on the cart icon, you can delete the variant that you don't want to ship. So let's say we want to ship this variant. We're going to tap on next. And after you have done that, you're going to simply fill in the information right here. So you're going to fill in the customer address, city, province, or state. And then you're going to simply tap on confirm in the bottom right hand corner. And from there, you can choose whether you would like to pay via credit card or PayPal. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.